So this is how I made my milky mango ice cream. Okay, first you need your fresh mango. The mango should be ripe. It should be washed thoroughly to free it from all the dirt. Okay, now you have to slice this mango into pieces just like this, and then you go ahead to cut them into cubes. This will help you to be able to transfer all of the mango into a bowl, and you take it out so easily. If you have any other way, you can do that, but ensure you take the mango from the into a bowl. Yeah. This is what we have here, and we are going right ahead to transfer the mango into a blender. If your blender won't be able to blend everything until smooth, ensure to get a blender. If you have a juicer, fine, you can use that, but this is how I made mine. Introduce some milk and also go ahead to add some condensed milk. All the ingredients used and the measurements will be in the description. So you would want to read the description to get all the details you need to make this. Yes, if you do not have condensed milk, don't worry, you can use sugar, okay, or any sweetener of your choice. It is allowed, but it's just that condensed milk give it this milky taste more, and this consistency is perfect. If you want to have this consistency, ensure that you've read the description to use the measurement to just get this. Okay, you don't want it to be too watery. Okay, now into a popsicle mode, you are going to transfer the ice cream into the popsicle bowl. If you do not have this, you can use any cup of your choice or still use a nylon just like this. Okay, I'll show you that in a minute, so you know that without a popsicle mold, without a cup, you can still make your ice cream. Yes, all you have to do is to pour this into any ice cream rubber or any nylon of your choice, and then you tie this and you go ahead to cover your popsicle mold. Put in your popsicle sticks, okay? Do not forget that. And you freeze these until it's ready. This took about 10 hours, but I just decided to let it stay that long in the freezer, okay? And thank you so much for clicking on this video. If today is your first time, you are welcome, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe if you haven't done that yet. Click on the bell notification icon so you do not miss out on any video I'll post in the future. Yes, if you are a returning subscriber, hi, and you are once again welcome back to my channel. Thank you for always coming back to support this community. Okay, now we'll transfer this into a freezer and then we freeze it. Okay, like I said, it took 10 hours, but yours can take lesser depending on how you regulate your freezer. And this is what we have here. This mango, it tastes so good. It is milky, and this is something I'm sure you would want to try. Do not forget to read the description. Don't forget to like if you haven't done that yet. And I would see you on the next one. Until then, please stay safe. Bye.